Yeah, put you down. Okay. So, I would like to show my portrait, add it to the collection. I did it in pastel, so I use pastel. And a little something. So I'm not sure what kind of bird it is, but it was an image that I saw online, and I just wanted to replicate it. Also, if you all feeling generous, I am a single mom, just trying to make my way in the world. You could, donate to the cash out. That would be wonderful. That would be wonderful. I mean, everybody out there trying to make it however way they can, but I am an inspired artist. So if you guys are feeling called in your heart space to donate, my cash out is my cash out is oh my god, I can't believe it's just like I just made a new cash out page, changed it. I may just put it in the description. If I can remember it right now, so I can get you everything just kind of like a little bit. I'm a little camera shy. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Let me just get right to the portrait. So, dun, dun, dun. Ooh, look at that big bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Yeah, I'm feeling called, and I like what y'all see. Prints on the side, but yeah, I really am drawn into the colors. So this pink, this fuchsia, a little bit of dark purple, indigo, a little bit of black. It all stood out. So yeah, and like I said, it's really called donate to my cash, which is hold on. Okay, so my cash app is Star Love Ta 999, spelling StarLoveta 999. Again, StarLoveta 999. All right, guys, enjoy your day and the rest of your weekend holiday. All right, have a wonderful everything.